straight pipe sounds so amazing, but unfortunately, it's the last time I think you guys are gonna hear it, myself included. So, let me put it in park. It sounds so freaking menacing. I'm probably pissing off somebody. So I stopped because I randomly seen a 440, and I figured for the two of you guys out here who want to see the comparison difference on these cars, same color wheels, but mine are just freaking filthy. This is the M440 and this is the M4. So obviously the big dog, next level, step up. Yeah, here it is. They really don't look that similar at all. I mean, okay, who am I kidding? It kind of does. The headlights look the same, the side door does, and I think maybe the rear tails, but other than that, the front end is, I think, a lot more favorable on the M4 than the M440. Definitely the same looking lights, but that slim body and that wide body, you can really tell a difference. You thought the M4 ain't have hips, it's like aggressive. The M440 is even worse. I mean, the hips are there, they just don't look like the M3. So, as a summary, the ownership experience of the AW exhaust, I really loved the AWE switch path rear box. Sounds so good, not too much louder, but it changes the tone. Later on, we've installed the AWE mid pipes, which got rid of the second resonator, and that is when all the sound came like on. I'm kind of getting tired of the super loud exhaust with the mid pipes chopped off. I love wide open throttle, just yeah, but when I want it quiet, I want it just a little more quiet. Okay. Oh man, SUV is good to have. We couldn't have did that with all that. We couldn't have did that with all that.
Okay, you're right.
I'm right?
You're right.
One more time for the people in the back.
Right. I'm glad we did it your way. I don't ever want to hear you shit talk about Buick again.
You finished putting the stuff in there though.
You just told me I could put the rest of my stuff.
I did. I ain't gonna lie to you. I definitely did say that. That was my mistake.
Look at that Buick Encore. Let me zoom in. Buick Encore.
Car's literally been sitting here without an exhaust. Look at this. Oh, damn. It's nice knowing them. R.I.P. Whew, this is open dump. Straight out the turbos, basically. Straight out the turbos. Yo, everything rattles in here, yo. Everything is rattling. The gear shifter feel like it's about to rattle off everything. If you keep it around 1500, it is not bad at all. It's like quiet. Look how quiet it is coasting at 1500 RPM. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, the speed limit is shit 25, so it ain't all the way that bad, but we ain't doing that. Good?
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Ready exhaust. So right here. All the way back. Sorry about that. Trying to get it for the YouTube, man. YouTube, man. It's the valve controller. I gotta find a better way to tuck this Dale valve controller. Oh, there we go. I hit a couple bumps. That sucker's right back out. That's good. Making sure I don't get caught up on the exhaust. On the other exhaust, the valves is up here, so yeah, so I gotta redo these wires in the stock location. Yeah, the check engine. You see it on there, it probably says not available. this thing is quiet, man. Yo, thank you. I'm gonna come back with the screw one day, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. Yo, you guys take it easy, all right? Yo, it sounds stock. It sounds stock. It's pretty quiet. Let me open the valves. I'm pretty sure the valves are open already. Oh no, the valves weren't open. Now the valves are open. It actually sound pretty good with the valves all the way open. I ain't gonna hold you. It don't sound bad. I thought the valves was open. Now I got it in M1 and the valves open with the burbulas. Nah, it sound good. It sound good. So right now, catalyst downpipe and a Daler valve actuator. So fully stock exhaust pretty much. Still definitely not as raw. The burbles sound way more synthesized. The hell happened over here? For moments like this, close the exhaust flaps. Exhaust flaps. I said exhaust flaps. What are they doing? What's going on over here? Oh shit. I was looking for the bang bus. What's up, bro? Right here? This thing is filthy. I look, the diaper bag, bro.
Bro, do me a favor.
What's that?
Next time, let's say like in the next couple of days, come to my house and we can wash this car, please. Come on.
It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
What is this?
Somebody had to touch that. That wasn't me.
Package? I don't think so.
That wasn't me. Yeah, this thing.
Bro, you're just crying.
Great to meet you.
It's filthy, bro.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Nice, Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man. Who's E92?
Ah, that's mine.
Sheesh, this thing is clean.
Thank you, thank you.
Now let me ask you something. Are these the E88s that everybody talks about?
These are, yeah.
I knew, okay, I had a feeling. These are like, you know how everyone talks about that one person that you never hear of, that's like the godchild or something? You follow with Burke Benton.
Oh, Spencer Burke.
Yeah. I know he had him on his
had
car,
him on
but
his
I never
black
seen him in
one.
person.
Yep.
What the? Yeah,
But he's been doing that for the last 10 minutes.
I didn't
Found
realize.
them in, how do you like the seats?
They're not that bad. You can sit in them. I don't
No,
care. Yeah.
everyone says like, I've
You can sit
seen
in
these
it.
seats literally be for sale.
They're not that bad.
No.
Yeah, they're not bad at all.
I mean, I got the Recaro, so.
Oh, well, yeah. He said he got the
But
Recaro.
these are I mean, you know what I mean? Like,
They're still OEM, so they're still comfortable. They have the
Yeah,
OEM comfortability.
exactly. This is, I did a saddle brown interior from a E92 335.
Uh-huh.
I got it off of eBay.
But now,
And then I changed the seats. So I took the seats, right? These are Recaro Sportster CSs. And the guy in Poland, AMX Performance, he did them in OEM saddle brown.
and these are wired up for the airbag and everything.
I did all that, yeah. It's like you basically do like, you take the module out of the bottom of the OEM seats, and then you have to do this like a resistor in the plug. And you basically get
Yeah,
rid
I'll
of the
tell you
airbag and all
what.
that shit.
Yeah, right. I can see me and Jerry doing that.
Yeah, no.
Yo, man. This thing is clean.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
God. This thing is looking nice.
Any spots? No?
Yo, what kind of wheels are those? Those are nice. That thing sounds beast. Oh, this is a nice lip. What's like the GTS style lip or something like that?
You're gonna have to ask him.
This is nice.
So like I was thinking like I mean I would obviously aim for just like anything in life, you aim for like the highest you can get that low right? But then I also don't want something with like 5,000 miles.
GT Tray.
Low mileage.
I'm trying to tag all these guys too.
But I mean
F Poppy.
also because I'm trying to get something with like 500.
I think the fitment on every single one of these cars are perfect, man. E90, another E90, GT4. I don't know what this is, but I'm eating it. It's not that bad either. Man, oh man, this thing is sexy. This thing is sick. I should have washed it before I brought it out, but I ain't have the time. Come on now, look at that, look at that. Hit the B-roll. Non-laser lights. Regular poor people lights. Are still sexy, so cut it out. Anyway. Yeah, man, this thing. Back to the quiet life. It's not so bad, actually. Yo, I just realized I turned on the camera to do the POV to catch his car rolling, and I just realized I'm in the Buick, bro. This shit is stock height too. It looks nice, you heard? Oh, hold on. There we go. I finally got the roller. No good. Bro, this shit really don't got no gas in it. That's wild. None of my cars be having gas in it, bro.
Just a single main pipe and the Dale exhaust valve.
Wow, that sounds really good actually. Stock suspension does not look bad in the white when it's rolling, bro. At this height, it does look monster trucky when it stopped, but on the highway, you can't even tell, bro. On the highway, this thing looks sexy as hell. Yo, where'd you get all the carbon?
I'll tell you right now, from China.
You got this from China?
It's all fake shit, but it's like 90%, you know, good. Like if you look over here, the fitment's not perfect, but
yeah,
like,
I can see that. Yeah. Oh, okay, I see what you mean.
Well, like, it looks
I mean, listen, if you're doing 100 and change, nobody's gonna see that it's from China.
Yeah.
I do see that.
Even the inlets.
Okay. So I'm assuming like the Alibaba special, AliExpress?
Yeah, something like that.
And how much would you say like it cost you for the whole set?
All this, like about 2,000.
2,000. Oh damn. Okay, well.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, a lot cheaper. Look at that. Bada boom. And just like that, guys, we made it back. Today was a pretty eventful day. I mean, in all honesty, this video is probably comprised of many days, but I actually did go out to do the car thing today, so it was still an eventful day. I haven't made a video about this. The 335 is sold. All right, let's go, man. Believe it or not, I wasn't planning on selling it so quickly. I posted it up online for an amount that I really didn't think I was going to get, and I was pretty transparent. I told them that I changed the quarter panel, and for those people who were asking, I just sent straight videos to my YouTube channel. So thank you for those new couple of followers and subscribers who, you know, were interested in the car, and you guys ended up liking my channel. And shout out to the guy who actually bought it. So I was actually heading to work, and he just randomly hit me up like, yeah, I just want to take a look at the car. And I sold the car, and I had to find a way to work. I took public transportation, which is oh shit. It's coming live from the iPhone on foot. God damn, I'm on foot. That's my new daily. Fucking Q30. If you don't know, I bought a 335 that was crashed. I did as much as I could possibly do personally, given the tools and space that I had, and I rebuilt it. And I think I made that car look so good and so clean. It drove good, no issues. Now it has a new owner, and he's pretty stoked about the car. I gave him some extra little bits and pieces that I had as well, and it was a complete success. So I have some cash laying around that I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it. If you guys think you have an idea of what car I should build next, let me know. I don't know. I'm not looking for anything right now. I'm not even thinking about anything right now. But yeah, in other news, the exhaust is off the M4. It sounds pretty quiet to summarize it. OEM factory, obviously. But I'm not upset, and I don't know why. Like, it's not a big deal to me as much as I thought it was, especially when you surround yourself around a lot of good guys and good cars. You start to see the world in the bigger picture and kind of like, you know, take some steps to get where you want to be. Like, you know, you see those Ferraris and those Porsches, and, you know, it's always levels and steps to it. I remember back when I had my Toyota Camry, and I got a Maxima after that, and I felt like it was the best thing in the world. And then I got my 5 Series, and, you know, it just continue to feel like it's the best thing in the world. But one thing I will say, a little piece of advice I will leave with you guys: it don't matter what kind of car you get. In reality, I think, you know, you're just gonna want to be happy. I think the excitement is elevating to the next level, and once you're at that next level, if you just stay there flat out, hey, it's not really exciting anymore. But I don't know where I got with that. I hope you guys got something out of that. I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm getting tired. Feed you guys this video tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe so sweet. Peace out.